Headlight, turn signal removal. Simple, simple, simple. This little clip right here, just push that in. That pops out. It gets hung up behind that corner right there. See that right there? Just pop it out. And I'm just going to turn these because I'm going to be using the lights on something else. Turn them, pop it out. Turn it, pop it out. And put them over there. Headlight removal. Even easier. Turn this. Turn this. Lift it up. Lift it up. Pick up the headlight and pull it out. Then you can undo your bright, undo your low beam, and that is it. Now, I'm going to be removing this piece also because I'm doing the 2007 conversion, and I'll show you how to do that in a few minutes.